Green and visit the refectory. This was a restaurant, a jazz club and then a blues club with numerous musicians playing here, and it is a venue that is steeped with music history. So let's go and explore some of the past stories that lay behind some of its walls. It began life at the start of the 20th century as a restaurant, and in 1916 it was in fact the first restaurant in the country to be powered by electricity. By the 1960s it had become a pub, and the downstairs basement room was used to host gigs. So first jazz gigs were played here, which were then followed by blues gigs, and a number of really significant musicians played on its stage downstairs. The most famous band to play here was The Who. They played here in 1964, and the venue told them to reduce the sound or the noise coming out of their amps. The Who responded by increasing the volume and subsequently were banned from the venue and never invited back again. Other bands to play here include Jimi Hendrix, Rod Stewart, and even Elton John played this venue. However, unfortunately, music stopped being played here in 1967. This pub is located a stone's throw away from Golders Green Cemetery, which means that it's been a popular place for wakes. Mourners for both Keith Moon's funeral and Mark Bolan's funeral gathered here after their untimely deaths as well. The refectory is still a functioning pub that advertise live gigs here to this day. Once this pandemic's over, it's definitely a place that should be being checked out. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it interesting. Again, I've hidden a postcard tied to a lamppost just outside it, so if you're strolling past, keep an eye out for one of these. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.